Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What
That's
about you?
nice to hear. I am fine.
Okay.
So, what's your name?
My name is Sribargavi. What's your name?
My name is Kajal.
Okay. Nice
Okay,
name.
thank you. You also have nice name.
Thank you.
So, today's topic is birds. So, do you know any bird that can float on water?
Yes, I know.
What is that?
Duck.
Oh, then what do you know more about duck?
Mm, I don't know more about it. I know that is a float in water.
Mm-hmm. Don't you know color and what does duck like to eat?
Duck like eat of fish
Oh,
and that color is white and like black sometimes. That's have different colors.
okay. All right. Then, do you know any bird that cannot fly in the sky?
Mm, no.
Okay. And do you know what is the biggest bird in the world?
Biggest bad ostrich?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then what do
Yeah,
you know more about ostrich?
ostrich is biggest bird and ostrich can run very fast.
Mm.
Next, ostrich is look like um hen. It's very big hen look like a.
Okay. Do you think ostrich can fly?
No,
Okay. And why?
because ostrich have no wings.
Oh, okay. Hmm. Then do you know any other bird like ostrich that cannot fly?
Hen?
Hen. I think hen can fly a little bit.
Oh,
Mm.
next
Do you know any bird that hunt and eat?
eagle.
Eagle. Okay. Then
Yes.
what do you know more about eagle?
Eagle is a flying bird,
Okay.
and eagle is I think eagle is a big eagle is hunt the human and eat
Oh.
big eagle.
Oh. Okay.
So that
Ah,
enough that only I know.
okay. Do you know any other hunting bird?
Uh, yes.
What is that?
Um, duck also fishes hunt and eat no
Okay.
that and peacock.
Peacock. Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
and
Tell.
pigeon. More animals.
Oh, okay. Then what do you know more about peacock?
Peacock is a beautiful bird and that's a national bird.
Okay.
Next, peacock. Peacock eats snakes, hunts,
Oh.
and that is any time do dance.
Oh.
Did dance.
Rainy time dance, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you're right. And what do you know about pigeon?
I am. We are in a scout and guide on group.
Hmm.
My group name is Pigeon.
Oh.
So I like more pigeon and pigeon is in different colors and they have more types.
Mm-hmm.
And I like very much pigeon
Why do you like?
because that is very beautiful.
Okay. What do you think? What pigeon likes to eat?
Pigeon likes to eat earthworms
Okay.
and insects.
Okay. Okay. Then, what do you know about sparrow?
Sparrow.
Hmm.
Sparrow is a very small bird,
Hmm.
and the sparrow is a very powerful bird
Oh, how can it be powerful?
because in one snow Himalaya,
Mm-hmm.
that mountain is very cold, no?
Mm-hmm.
Very cool. That type also sparrow is go
Oh.
50 kilometers up. Sparrow is live. So humans also very tough to live. So
Mm-hmm.
that sparrow is very powerful, no?
Yeah, exactly. Hmm. Then, what do you know about penguin?
Penguin. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you know about penguin?
Mm, I think penguin is eat fish.
Hmm.
Next, penguin is a very is in ice and Antarctica. That place only penguins are live.
Okay.
Next, I don't know more about it, pigeon.
Penguin. Okay, no problem. How many colors can you see in penguin?
I don't see in um I don't see in
Hmm.
I don't see penguin.
You never saw?
Yes, never saw.
Okay.
But I saw in TV.
Oh, oh. Yeah.
Yes.
So every person can see penguin in TV only. Otherwise, you have to go Antarctica for that. No.
No.
Yeah. So, do you know any other bird that likes to eat fish?
Um. Yes.
What is that?
Um. Duck. Duck.
Apart from duck, any other bird?
Um. mm, Fish. Ostrich also fish only eat. Oh.
Oh,
Next. That's enough. I don't know many other birds.
okay. All right. Then, what is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is peacock and pigeon.
Okay. Hmm. Then, do you know any endangered bird?
Uh, yes,
What is that?
lovebirds.
Oh, lovebirds. Okay. Tell me more things about lovebirds.
Lovebirds are domesticated.
Okay.
Next, lovebirds are very beautiful.
Okay.
They eat one nuts like.
Okay.
Next, some more days after, sometimes one lovebird is two only pairs only bought it.
Hmm?
Lovebirds only can bought two.
Mm-hmm.
That time one lovebird is died. The
Hmm.
other lovebird also suicide.
Oh. Oh, seriously?
Yes.
Oh, that is an interesting fact, right?
Mm.
Yeah. That's why I think they are lovebirds, right?
Yes.
Mm. All right. And how many colors can you see on lovebirds?
Um, I saw in my friend house blue color
Mm-hmm.
and green color
Okay.
and one mixed color.
Okay.
That only I'm saw.
Okay. And do you like lovebirds?
Yes, I like.
Okay. Do you have lovebirds in your home?
No, I don't have.
Do you have any kind of bird in your home?
No, I don't have.
Okay. So, what do you think? Why people should keep birds in cage in a home?
That I don't know.
Okay. Do you think it is good or bad?
I think it is good, but that house person is go any I mean any foreign or that time that birds are very poor now.
Mm-hmm.
So that is good, but some dangerous.
Yeah, but I think birds. Main thing is birds can wants to fly, but if they will keep in cage, how can birds fly?
Yes, that is very wrong one.
Yeah. So what do you think on this? People should keep birds on cage or not?
People do not keep the bird in cage. That's correct.
Okay. Hmm. Alright. Then
Okay.
do you know any pink color bird?
Pink color bird.
Yeah, or peach color bird.
Uh, Parrot have more color now. That
Mm-hmm. How many colors did you see in parrots?
I saw blue,
Hmm.
green,
Hmm.
red,
Okay.
and that tell Panchavarna parrot. That's name is Panchavarna parrot.
Okay.
That tell that have more colors mixed. That's very
Mm-hmm.
nice.
Okay. Then did you see macaw?
What?
Macaw. Do you know what is macaw?
Macau? I don't know.
Yeah, it is American parrot.
Oh,
Yeah. Usually they are very big in size and different colors.
okay.
Yeah. Then what do you know about crow?
Crow. Crow
Crow.
is the one good bad
Hmm.
and mm, crows all know that one story
Mm-hmm.
that a stone putting in a pot.
Oh, can you
So,
tell me that story?
okay.
Hmm.
Once upon a time, on Thursday, crow is living there.
Mm-hmm.
There is the crow is very thirsty, no. So the crow is search the water.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, more there have one pot to have water,
Mm-hmm.
but the water is very less.
Mm-hmm.
So crow is don't go inside. No, crow is very big. No, so that take the stone and put in the pot.
Mm-hmm.
More stone put it. The water is coming up, and that is drink.
Mm-hmm.
This is a third.
Okay. So what do you learn from this story?
Um, that I don't know.
I think we can learn intelligence from the crow. Crow is a very intelligent bird, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. Then, did you see crow in real world?
Yes.
How does it look like?
It look like black and um their head have two types of crow have.
Mm-hmm.
One type of crow have head have some that what hair, blacky hair.
Okay.
One type of crow have no blacky hair.
Okay.
That enough. That only I know difference.
All right. Then, do you have any question for me?
Okay, I ask.
Yes.
Okay, now. Okay. Do you know
Hmm.
what is the that is one bird and one fruit.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know that?
That is kiwi,
Yes, correct.
and that cannot fly.
Yes.
Yeah. Kiwi also cannot fly.
Do you know anything about kiwi?
Yeah, kiwi is a small bird that don't have wings, that cannot fly.
Okay. Um. What is your favorite? Which is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is peacock because it is our national bird and it is very beautiful and it is a dancing bird.
Okay.
So, do you know any singing bird?
Yes.
What is that?
That what? 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
That name is I don't know.
How does it look like?
That is look like a crow like. Crow like.
Yeah, that name is cuckoo.
Yes, cuckoo.
Yeah. All right. Then it was nice conversation with you. Shall we hang up now?
Okay.
Have a great day. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Welcome.